Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. So guys, today our topic is main verb. Main verb, right? So today I am going to explain two main verbs which are want and need. So the topic want and need, I am going to explain it in this video. So come to the topic. So here we are with the first main verb, which is want. Now what is want? I am going to explain it. See, want is a main verb, we know that, right? Now what is the function of it, and you know how to use it, where to use it, and what's the meaning of it, right? See, want shows desire. Want shows a person's desire or wish. Desire means wish, right? You know, it is used to show a person's desire or wish. Is this clear? See, want can be followed by a noun or an infinitive. Infinitive means 2 plus 1 first form. Is this clear? So here, now what does it mean? It means that one can be followed by a noun or infinitive. You know, we can put a noun or infinitive after want. It means to say that, you know, both ways are possible to use want. I mean, you know, we can put a noun after want, or either we can put infinitive after want. How? Come to the structure. You know, after structure and examples, you will come to know how. You know, structure: subject plus want or wants. Here we put s in bracket. So it means that, you know, it can be want or wants, but according to the sentence. Is this clear? See, subject plus want or wants plus noun or infinitive, plus noun or infinitive, plus rest of the sentence. Okay, come to the example. After example, you will come to know what is want. I want a car. I want a car. Here a car is a noun. Is this clear? So in this example, want is followed by a noun. You know, car is a noun with us. It is a thing and it has a name. So we said that, you know, in the word, everything in the word that has name is a noun. So here car is a noun. So I want a car. Is this clear, guys? See, Ali wants money. Ali wants money. Money is a noun. But why we did not, you know, put here article a or a? Because it is non-countable noun. Here car, it is a countable noun, that's why we have put a. But money is non-countable noun, so we cannot put this article a. Is this clear? So Ali wants money. Now here you can see s with wants. Why did we use s with want? Because, you know, Ali is singular. As you know, according to rules, we have to put s, es or ias with singular subject, right? But in present, simple present sentence. Is this clear? Here we have I. With I we cannot say that I wants. It is completely wrong. So we should say that I want a car. But if we have a singular subject, but in simple present, then we have to say Ali wants money. Ali wants money. Is this clear? So it is, you know, it is his wish or it is his desire to have money. Is this clear? As we said that, you know, one shows desire. So it is his, it is Ali's desire or wish to have money. Is this clear? In this example, you know, it is my wish or it is my desire to have a car. Is this clear, guys? See another example. She wants to buy a car. She wants to buy a car. Here I told you that, you know, we can use want on both ways, on two ways. See, want, you know, want can be followed by a noun or an infinitive. In first example, want is followed by nouns. But in second example, you will see that, you know, want is followed by an infinitive. So she wants to buy. To buy. What is to buy? To buy is an infinitive with us, right? After, you know, after to we use first form of the verb. You can see here, you know, first form of the verb, to plus verb. So here to plus verb. Buy is a verb and it is a first form, right? So she wants a car. She wants a car. We use est here because we have singular subject. We have singular subject. So according to the rules, we used s here with wants. She wants to buy a car. So what does it mean? It means that it is her desire or it is her wish to buy a car. Is this clear? See the last example. He wants to play cricket. He wants to play cricket. Again you use is, because here we have singular subject. So he wants to play cricket. To and play. Play is the first form of verb. So to play, infinitive, right? Here it is infinitive. To play cricket. Now what does it mean? It means that it is his desire or it is his wish to play cricket. Is this clear, guys? So now come to the another main verb. So here we are with another main verb, which is need. Now what is need? I am going to explain it. See, need is a main verb. We know that from the name of title. So see, what is the function, or need shows necessity. Now what's the meaning of necessity? Necessity means necessary, important, significant, etc., etc. Is this clear, guys? See, need means to require. Need means to require. Is this clear, guys? Need can also be followed by a noun or infinitive, means to plus verb. Same as with want. Want was also followed by a noun or an infinitive. So here need can also be followed by a noun or infinitive. Infinitive means to plus verb, but first form of the verb. Is this clear? See the structure. Subject plus need or needs. As I said, need or needs. We will add s, but according to the structure. I mean according to sentence. So subject plus need or needs plus noun or infinitive plus rest of the sentence. Is this clear, guys? See, come to the example. After example you will come to know. They need a dress. They need a dress. Here we put only need, not needs. Why did I put only need? Why didn't I put needs? Because here we have plural subject, they. With they we do not use needs. We use need, only need. Is this clear, guys? So they need a dress. It means that they require a dress. Is this clear? See the another example. He wants or he needs a book. He needs a book. Here we put s. Here I put s. Why? Because here I have singular subject, he. With he we use needs, not need. So he needs a book. It means that he requires a book. Is this clear? He requires a book. See another example. I need to complete my homework. See the first two examples were in these example need is followed by a noun. A noun. Dress is a noun, right? Here book is a noun. So that's why these two examples, in these two examples need is followed by a noun. But in this example, need is followed by two infinitive, right? Two plus verb. See how? I need to complete my homework. Here I put need, not needs, because I have I. With I we use need. So I need to complete. To complete is it is a verb. It is a verb, but first form of the verb. It is the first form of verb. So to complete, it is also called infinitive. I need to complete my homework. The rest of the sentence, I need to complete. So this is an infinitive, as we said in the definition. Need can also be followed by a noun or infinitive. So here we have infinitive, to complete. It is an infinitive. Is this clear, guys? If you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be right there to answer your question. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.